Hi, I'm David Cantor, and today I'm going to talk about felony flight or unlawful flight from a police officer as it's defined in Arizona. Under Arizona Revised Statute 28-622.01, you've committed felony flight if you willfully attempt to flee or elude a law enforcement vehicle with at least one light on or its sirens on. Okay, so if you start to run, they're going to charge you with felony flight. Punishment: if you have no prior convictions, this is a Class 5 felony with probation up to 2.5 years in prison. Now, probation means the judge can say, I'm going to give you probation with certain terms. Remain law-abiding, don't consume alcohol, drive with a valid license, don't commit crime. But they can also say, as a condition of probation, I'm going to give you jail time, anywhere from 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. That's up to the judge. Now, defenses for felony flight. Lack of knowledge. This happens when somebody has a loud stereo on or a bunch of passengers having a good time and they don't see the cop behind them with the lights and the siren. They can't hear it. Mistake of fact. This occurs when you think it's an ambulance or a fire truck that's way behind you and they're going to drive by and it couldn't possibly be you, so then you turn into your apartment complex, make multiple turns, then you park in your stall and boom, there's the cop saying you tried to flee. Sometimes people say, I know it's a cop, but I'm going to look for a well-lit area that's safe off the roadway or off the freeway. Many times we can use defenses of what's called the black box. That's called your statistical and diagnostical module that's inside your car. So if they claim you were trying to flee and there was an accident, we can actually pull the data to show in the last 5 seconds before the accident how fast you were going, whether your brakes were applied, things of that nature. Now, common defenses include Miranda rights violations or coerced statements, denial of right to counsel if you ask for a lawyer and they wouldn't let you call your lawyer, fingerprint analysis or DNA. This occurs when they find the car and you're not in it anymore and they go up to an apartment and there's 5 guys in an apartment. You have to show who it was who was actually behind the wheel. And then just plain sloppy police reports. We find many times that the police just blow it in the police report. So if you or a loved one are charged with felony flight or unlawful flight from a police officer, give us a call. We'll give you a free 30-minute initial consultation in our office. Means it doesn't cost you a dime. We have many attorneys who are excellent at this particular type of charge. We have multiple certified criminal law specialists, and we'd love to help you out. So we look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.